Test environment: open area near company building. Test equipment: P-Box RTK receiver X10. Auxiliary test gear. Test setup: 2 X10 receivers deployed, one as a rover mounted on the drone, the other as a base station. The base station generated real-time differential corrections transmitted via radio link to the rover. Baseline test: initial satellite acquisition, 40 for GNSS signals tracked. Activated wideband GNSS jammer 56W, 1.2 GHz and 1.5 GHz bands. Under interference, X10 rover maintained 35 satellites locked, demonstrating exceptional anti-spoofing and narrowband rejection capabilities. Operational flight simulation: conducted UAV flight under sustained jamming. X10 provided continuous RTK fixed solutions, ensuring stable attitude control and trajectory accuracy. Despite high power, multi-band intentional interference, X10's adaptive notch filtering and dual antenna diversity reduced satellite loss to 20 while maintaining sub-decimeter positioning.